Hey everybody, welcome back to Cruising with Greg. Today we're replacing the Serpentine belt or the V belt. Got a new OEM one here on a 2001 Land Cruiser with a 2UZ FE engine. You can see our Serpentine belt right here. It goes around the pulley, down around the AC compressor, up against the fan here, the crankcase, and then the tensioner, and then again around the alternator back up to the top here. Pretty easy job. We don't have to remove anything. All we're going to need is a long ratchet with a long handle and a 14mm socket in order to loosen up this bolt on the tensioner right here. Focus up, there we go. That'll loosen up to get our bolt off, or to get our belt off. Then we can get our new one installed and do the same thing. So I'll get a good angle here and show you how to do it. All right, so what we have to do is take our 14mm socket on our ratchet and put it in the off position. We're gonna go to the left. It's actually a reverse threaded bolt. And you're gonna get that onto this bolt here on the tensioner, like so. And then you can see when we pull it left, you can see how some tension comes off the belt here. So what we're gonna do is pull it left and just pop it off of this pulley. Go ahead and hold that tension so we can work off the belt. I'm reaching over to the AC compressor now and pulling it off of there. Wish I could show you, but I don't have two cameras. And once we get it from there, go ahead and pull a little bit off here. And now we can go ahead and release so I can show you. We pulled it off of the AC compressor down here. So we'll reach back here around the alternator. You can see we popped it off there. Then it comes off down at the bottom of that little pulley and off here. And then we'll just go pull off of this. All right, so now we got it off the crankcase. We have it almost all the way off. Just this little bit here where it sits around, you see that little silver oil filter line. That's what's getting us to hang up. You can see now we got it off. Now it's a tangled mess in the fan. And there we go. That's our old belt. And now we'll work on getting our new one on. All right, so we're gonna start with feeding it back onto the hardest part here, which is where the AC compressor and oil filter meet. Then we'll just work it around to the rest of them. We'll leave this one for last because that's the one, the tensioner here is the one we have to do the actual turning it to the left in order to give enough room for the belt to slip around it. All right, so go ahead and feed it down here, as you can see, and try to just nicely put it around this AC compressor, which is actually pretty easy. And then from here, we'll be careful where we start to feed it because it likes to start to come off if you don't keep tension on things. So we'll push this around top of the fan there. We'll keep this right side kind of out of the way for now. And then from there, we'll push down, keeping it around the fan. It's hard to see, but we'll then push it to get below the crankcase pulley. All right, so currently we have our belt routed around everything properly. We have our two fingers holding the belt up right by the tensioner. What we're gonna do is slip under our socket and ratchet and loop and get it onto that nut there, or that bolt, excuse me. And once we get that on, like so, we are going to make sure the belt is on all the pulleys properly before we give this a yank up. Looks good. We're going to turn to the left. We already lost one of them. Turn to the left and get it around all of our pulleys. All right, I think we have everything on. So go ahead and let the slack out. And now we'll just make sure we got everything. So you can see right there, we got it on the the alternator. And there's the tensioner. There's at the very bottom, that little small pulley is another just a pulley in there. It's around this one here. It's around the top of our fan, nice and clean. And then it's around the crankcase and then around our AC compressor. So Simple as that. It might take a little effort to get that belt to stay on. It's a little finicky, but once you do it, it's pretty simple. Thanks for watching, guys.